any practice give proper benefit if it is nourished with continuity and full of respect. Many questions I was receiving these days that when we do pranayam practice, our mind is not well focused, especially when you do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You are not able to focus, you feel bored. And because of that, you're not able to continue this Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Let me tell you one thing. In entire pranayam system, if you really want your body to receive enough amount of prana, you must first purify your body. You must purify your energy channel, and for that, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, very important pranic practice in pranayam series. If you don't do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam regular, and if you do other activities, other pranayams such as Brahmari, Ujjayi, you will be very far from the benefits. I would really suggest you to do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam and strengthen your entire pranic system. In today's class, I will tell you how to practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayam if you feel bored. The technique which I will share with you will really help you to feel more power while doing Nadi Shodhan Pranayam or Anulom Vilom. You will feel more joy, more focused. So this pranayam can give you better result. Namaste everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. If you notice, you will feel more joy, more excited when you do Kapalbhati Pranayam, when you do fast Pranayam, aggressive Pranayam such as Brahmari, Bhastrika. If I will tell you, let's do Kapalbhati 200 round. You are more focused because the result is fast. Because you are doing faster, you feel dizzy, you feel a little bit calm, and you notice that this gives you joy, pleasure. But when you do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, when you have to breathe slow, deep, you feel sleepy, you feel bored, you feel that there's no excitement, and because of that you don't do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, you don't do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Scriptures are saying, Prathamam Nadi Shuddhischa Tatha Shaktya Tu Kumbhayet, means first you must do Nadi Shodhan if you want to get the benefit of other pranayam. So do not skip this very important and I would say most important pranayam practice. Anulom Vilom is a preparation for Nadi Shodhan. So some people when they do Nadi Shodhan or Anulom Vilom by closing one nostril, after 3-4 rounds they feel bored or shoulders pain starts. Then sometimes you hold the hand, sometimes you change the hand. So first of all, few tips I am giving you, apply from today. First tip is you will not switch the hand when you do Nadi Shodhan. Every time Nadi Shodhan Pranayam and Anulom Vilom Pranayam should be right hand only. If your right arm is tired, I would suggest you place some cushion under the armpit here. You can try like that. You can place any cushion close to you and under the armpit like this. See here. So that your shoulder is supported, so you are not disturbing. So this is first you will do. Those who feel that their arms are tired, cannot stay longer, they should do this. You should not switch the hand. Why you should not switch the hand? Understand clearly. Right hand thumb represents sun, and this sun has to control the sun of you. Where is your sun? Previous videos I have explained many times that right nostril represents sun, has to be controlled with the sun. The ring finger is for stability, represents stability, and stability is in your body. What represents stability? Moon energy represents stability. So left nostril. So that's why the earth element, ring finger, which represents stability, has to control the moon energy, which is responsible for stable mind. If you do other hand, it becomes opposite. Especially those who are practicing in the West. I have seen so many videos, I have seen so many practices. When you are tired with the right hand, you switch the left hand. Don't do this. Don't create your own way. Change it and start the same way. This is the first tip. The second tip, minimum 10 rounds of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is required, and if you are doing Anulom Vilom, minimum 15 rounds. Anulom Vilom means when you are simply closing one nostril and starting inhaling other, exhaling other nostril, then inhale from the same, exhale other side. You are continuing the same process. Inhale one nostril, exhale other. Inhale then other, exhale the first one. When you keep doing, this is one cycle. So this is how you will do 15. If you do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, then you are holding inside. I have made one detailed video of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam and Anulom Vilom. I will mention in description, or you can find in my YouTube channel other videos. You will notice you will see how to perform this important pranayam series. So you must perform at least 20 kumbaka every day. So 20 kumbaka means what? Inhale left nostril, hold. This is one kumbaka, holding. Exhale other nostril, inhale other, hold. Then other. So in one cycle, you're doing 2 kumbaka. So 10 times if you do, it becomes 20 kumbaka. This is very important for your energy body. Third tip. Now the main. You feel bored. Just let's say you feel bored to do Anulom Vilom. You cannot stay longer, mind is wandering, so many thoughts, you are tired. Start breaking down the breath. Don't take single inhale. Don't take single exhale. Start breaking down the length. So if you notice that you have a breath maybe 10 seconds, divide it. Take little, then little, stop, then little, stop, then little, stop. This is how. Then again other side same. If you stop 4 times while inhaling, 4 times while exhaling. So when you stop, when you take a pause in between your inhalation and exhalation, you will notice that it is easier for your mind to concentrate. More this practice will generate, become stronger, you will notice that the mind is more controlled and more settled. And once you have such activity with your pranic system, it is also helpful for your lungs to intake more amount of oxygen, more prana in this upper area, pranic area of the body. So more you take a pause, you will notice you can do longer period of time. And if you feel that still you are not focused, then better to increase the speed of inhalation also. So now, like that. So increasing the speed will also help you to focus more and more longer you can do this pranayam series. Falishyatiti vishwasahi shraddhe prathama lakshana dvitiyam shraddha yuktam tatiyam guru pujanim. Means if you want pranayam practice to work deeply, these qualities should be there. Shraddha is a second quality. I will not go in detail completely, but Shraddha means you should have devotion, you should have that dedication, you should have that belief that this practice will give you result. So belief comes with excitement. If you are excited in some practice, you are receiving some benefits, you will believe. So you need to make the practice excited. So if you are feeling bored, you will not do regular, and because you are not being regular, you are not getting benefits. This is very important. Pranayam, do not miss it. Try these 3 techniques which I just said to you and start doing Nadi Shodhan Pranayam and Anulom Vilom. If you are doing Anulom Vilom, do Anulom Vilom. If you are doing Nadi Shodhan, do Nadi Shodhan. But break down the speed, break down the length, or increase the speed and make this practice more interesting and more fruitful. I hope you like this video. If you do, please share this with others and help others so that they can get the same benefits. They can get all the benefits which are mentioned in yogic scriptures. If you are new to this channel, you must subscribe this, because here you are learning detailed explanation of each yogic practices an ancient way, not modified way. And those who wants to continue yogic practice with us, with my team, I have started monthly classes. Every month we are starting with the different time zones. You can come live and strengthen your practice and make your routine, yogic routine, and make your life more balanced. Do not miss this. Next batch will start next month. Book here, link in description. You can go and book your seat. Make yoga as a part of your life. See you in next video. Namaste.